Hello and welcome to our channel, Financial Delivery Exclusive Investment Consulting. Today we are going to talk about American market and international in commodities, including Bitcoin. So we begin with our American portfolio, which has fallen a little, as you can see, during the week. This fall was caused by a rather big volatility in our shares. Some shares in our portfolio, some have shown grow, some very big fall in Friday. So this thing can tell us that the situation in America is I can say bad, but there's a lot of risk in the American market and a lot of uncertainty. This is maybe the right word. If I tell you if I could tell you right, yes, uncertainty, yes. But in my view, maybe it's very hard to say what American market are going to do right now. So let's see some other graphs and talk about. First, the situation in the oil. Yes, I told you in a previous week that this blue line is a very good support for oil, but it came through it, crossed down in a Monday. You can see it here. But the oil have found some support during the week, and the fall is not so big as it could be during first day of the week. I don't think oil will go down significantly. Yes, this support line is still important, and maybe it will grow and then came through it too. But in my view, energy is in a deficit, not only in my view, but because of the rising demand for example, I don't know, mining of cryptocurrency, data centers, electric cars. Everything need more and more energy, but we don't have it. So oil is the only one source of liquid energy, and I think there is no way for some big fall in oil. So that's my view. Also, look at the Bitcoin. I told you that there could be a bull model for this cryptocurrency in the previous week, and such thing happened. But Bitcoin showed us some growth, and then it was stopped by a blue line. Blue line is the resistance. So you see that there is a lot of probability that cryptocurrency will turn off down. It's not clear now, but in my view, it could go down from this point, but also there is two support. Maybe we will not change this image until it came through it somewhere here, but maybe this blue line can be crossed too, but this is a very good example of how technical analysis works. Let's look now at the gold. You see that there is a forming head and shoulders model in a gold, so it can probably fall. And this movement also related with the movement in a dollar index. So you see that there is also, it's also found a blue line, support line with very good growth in a Friday, and also there is a very good growth in a yield of American bonds in a Friday too. So in my view, this three movement are very related. The capital came from gold to the bond market, which shows the growing yield. In my view, what happens here in the bond market is much more important now, and this graph is also more important than the graph of the S&P 500. Why? Because the growing yield could be a very big problem for American market and for America, as a country. So in my view, this market is much more important than the graph of S&P 500. Look at it also too. You see that Head and Shoulders model, which I showed to you in a previous week, didn't work well, yes, because of the fallen yield in a week and then turn in yield in a Friday. But it cannot, S&P 500 can't came through this blue line, which show you the maximum which is placed here. So I don't think the S&P 500 will came through this blue line, this resistance line. In my view, it will go down, and then maybe it also will form another Head and Shoulders model, which will actually work. And also there is a model in a Dow Jones, you can see it too. I showed it to you in the previous weeks, so you see that our technical analysis works very, very good. So to the conclusion, the most important thing in America now is oil. I don't quite sure. Bitcoin is maybe has found a very strong resistance line. There is a very high possibility of Head and Shoulders and gold. Also some support for American currency in a blue line. Also another one blue line, the support for a yield in America, and the growing yield could crash American stock. Thank you very much.